Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys two kinds of fridge in Minecraft Pocket Edition. So the first one I will make is the one that you will make. You need a iron door, lever, I don't know, dispenser, button, and the foods that you want to put in the fridge. First thing is First thing is you're gonna pick a block to put in there, put the dispenser in there, and then put the iron door here and there. Gonna put the food in there. You try it, and when the door is closed, the food get in. There you go. The second one is the nicer one because you can see the dispenser. First thing is you're gonna have to break the 2 blocks or whatever. Well, we want to break. Put a block to cover it, and put a door. And wait, we forgot. Go back, put a food, and then yeah, you're gonna do. Let's try it. We try it. When you close it, bam! This is so cool. So I think that's it for today, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please continue to watch some other tutorial. This is inspired by DreamWorks TV, by that girl making that. Okay, so bye bye.